What car insurance coverage do I need?
What I typically suggest is full coverage versus liability, and let's just absorb that for a second. Liability covers the party that you hit. Full coverage covers not only their vehicle, but your vehicle as well.
Well, by the state of California, technically you only need to have basic liability. Basic liability is different with each state, considering like the liability limits. So liability limits mean that's covering the other vehicle if you're at fault in an accident. So the limits are different in each state, but in the state of California, it's 15,000, 30,000 bodily injury.
Depende mucho la cobertura que andes buscando, más que nada, qué tipo de carro es el que tengas. Si lo estás financiando, pues obviamente a lo mejor te van a pedir la full coverage. Si no lo estás financiando, pues todo depende. Pero te podemos dar un precio muy barato en cualquiera de las coberturas que andes buscando.
What I typically suggest, depending on the vehicle, is always to go with full coverage. That way you know you're properly covered either way. Whether you're at fault or the other person's at fault, you want to make sure that those damages get properly taken care of.
I always like to up those coverages because compared to other states, it's pretty low. So that's where you have a conversation with the customer where it's what's your budget? Because depending on their budget, like I always suggest let's up more coverage.
What car insurance is required in California?
Aquí en California, el estado nomás requiere liability con límites de 15,000 por persona, 30,000 por accidente, $5,000 de daños a propiedad. Es uno de los estados que exige la cobertura más mínima y no les otorgan tener otra cobertura como en otros estados.
So basic liability is a requirement in California. So what that is that's going to cover the party that you hit, right? That's minimum. So again, I would suggest full coverage.
Yo siempre recomiendo que agarren coberturas de $25,000 por persona, $50,000 por accidente, $25,000 daños a propiedad para arriba, porque ahorita todos los carros que están afuera, en los freeways, en las calles, un golpe va a sobrepasar los límites que el estado exige.
What car insurance do I need in Mexico?
Las coberturas en México son un poquito diferentes. No conozco mucho los reglamentos de allá, pero sé que el seguro también en México es requerido por el gobierno y nosotros proporcionamos seguros para México. Call me.
It's important for you to know that if you are driving to Mexico, you do need to have car insurance, whether it's liability or full coverage. We will be able to provide you coverage for that. Just give us a call. It's really easy. Liability, full coverage, whatever you need, depending like how often you go to Mexico. Some people are just going for the weekend. We can do that.
What car insurance do I need for Instacart?
Instacart's a great example. Uber, Lyft, same coverage or additional coverages that we can add on the policy. I believe it's full coverage on Instacart if I'm not mistaken, but again, I can double check for you.
Ocupas un seguro especial para eso, que se dedique específicamente a ese servicio. Tenemos también varios programas, llámanos para darte una cotización.
What car insurance do I need for Uber?
Para hacer Uber y Lyft, ustedes ocupan un seguro extra. Desafortunadamente las pólizas regulares son nomás como uso pleasure, que para ir al trabajo, que para ir aquí, que para ir allá. Pero ya cuando lo están usando para trabajo se ocupa endorsar la póliza en una cobertura más amplia para cubrir ese tipo de negocio o trabajo que están haciendo.
The moment you start driving for Uber, you give me a call and we can get you properly covered.
Yeah, I think like the most common thing I've seen when people call in and they are riding Uber, they don't like to tell the agent directly right away because they're afraid of their insurance going up, which I always tell the customers, like, no, please tell us, because even if it's going up like $70, $80, it's worth it because you're paying for car insurance to cover your claim. So it's really important that you let your insurance company know. Call me, 1553.
Sale un poquito más cara que una póliza regular, pero porque estás trabajando tu carro. Entonces hay más riesgo el que estás tomando. Entonces es mejor asegurarte correctamente y no evadir demandas, ya sea de la compañía de Uber o del mismo cliente que estés recogiendo.